Welcome back, my dear students. In the last class, we have just entered into our new chapter, Acids and Alkalis. How many of you tried to make a hibiscus paper in your home? Did you test the food substance with hibiscus paper? Okay, if the food substance contains acid, it changes blue litmus to red. This is one of the property of acid. When you touch these substances, nothing happens to you because it is weak acid. But when you try to touch hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid, the situation changes. They are used in laboratory and they are strong. So, what are the things should be considered while handling chemicals? Number 1, do not taste. Number 2, do not touch. Number 3, do not smell. Number 4, do not let it fall on the body. Number 5, use a dropper while transferring acid from bottle. Number 6, use a holder to hold a test tube. Number 7, while diluting an acid, pour small quantities of acid slowly into the water taken in a beaker and stir well. Let's look some of the characteristics of acids. Reaction of acids with metals. Take dilute hydrochloric acid in a test tube. Then put few pieces of zinc into it. Close the mouth of the test tube with the thumb for some time or hold another test tube like this. Hold a lighted matchstick at the mouth of the test tube. See what has happened. When lighted, the matchstick burns with a low noise. That is, when dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with zinc, hydrogen is produced. Hydrogen is an inflammable gas, and it was first identified by Henry Cavendish. It was Lavoisier who named this gas as hydrogen. If we do the same experiment using dilute sulfuric acid and metals like zinc, magnesium and aluminium, hydrogen gas is produced as a result of reaction between acid and metal. It is due to this reason that the bottle and its stopper used to store acid in the laboratory are not metal, because the acid and the metals react with each other and new compound is formed. Pickles we commonly use are acidic in nature, so they are not stored in metal container. Also, metal containers are not used to store food substances containing tamarind, buttermilk, vinegar and lemon juice. Some of the substances produced by the reaction of metal with acid can cause health problem. Let's make a hydrogen balloon. Take dilute hydrochloric acid and put few pieces of zinc into it. Then cover the mouth of the bottle with a balloon. As zinc is in hydrochloric acid, they react each other and hydrogen is produced. This hydrogen is collected in the balloon, so it gets expanded. Next is the reaction of eggshell in acid. Take dilute sulfuric acid in a test tube and add few pieces of eggshell into it. As dilute sulfuric acid and eggshell get reacted, carbon dioxide is formed. To test the presence of carbon dioxide, bring a lighted matchstick above the test tube. what happens? Yes, when sulfuric acid reacts with eggshell, carbon dioxide is produced, and this carbon dioxide is a gas which can extinguish fire. Once again, eggshell, chalk and marble contain calcium carbonate. When acids react with carbonates, carbon dioxide is formed and it is a gas which extinguishes fire. Let's try to make a fire extinguisher. Fix a tube airtight in the cap of a plastic bottle. Then fill vinegar up to the half of this bottle. Pack some baking soda in a paper and suspend it from the tube at the opening of bottle above the level of vinegar. Close the bottle properly. Shake the bottle thoroughly and allow baking soda to fall into the vinegar. Then direct the gas coming from the bottle towards a lighted candle. What do you see? Yes, the fire in the candle gets extinguished. You know that vinegar is acetic acid. Baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. When they react each other, carbon dioxide is formed. It is due to the formation of carbon dioxide. The fire in the candle gets extinguished. The fire extinguisher works on this principle. When ant bites, a small amount of formic acid enters into our body. Let's look at some of the general properties of acid. Number 1. Acid changes blue litmus to red. Number 2. They are sour taste. Number 3. When acids react with metal, hydrogen is evolved. 4. When acids react with carbonate, carbon dioxide is formed. So, these are the general characters of acids. Study well and try to do it in your home. I will explain. Your activity is to make a fire extinguisher using vinegar and baking soda. Try it and see you in next class. Thank you.